Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol IDEX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, overall, the uptrend is perfectly fine, and I'm trying to emphasize overall because, yeah, depending on your perspective, depending on your strategy, maybe you don't think this chart looks okay. Maybe you don't think it looks, good. Maybe it looks, terrible. I mean, and I understand, yeah, if you are some sort of day trader or flipper or scalper and you bought right there or you bought right there and your plan was to buy and sell within 10, 15 minutes, well then, yeah, from that angle, from that perspective, the chart's not looking so good. But assuming you do care about, again, the overall standpoint of things, yeah, the price has pulled back. But when you take a step back, and let me squeeze this down even more, and look at things from the bigger picture point of view, you can very clearly see that, when you look at where these consolidation periods are, so there was a set of lows, here's a set of lows, there's a set of lows, there's a set of lows, and as of right now, as far as that green line, which I talked about in past videos, we'll use that as the current set of lows. And then if you envision those as stair steps, from the overall point of view, these stair steps are still very, very clearly building an uptrend, and whenever staircases are going in the upwards direction, that's exactly what you want to see. So like I said, it really just does depend on what your angle, what your viewpoint was, because I fully understand a day trader that bought right there doesn't care about these overall stair steps. But assuming you care about the big picture of things, from the trend building perspective, everything is perfectly fine. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, if the price is going to make any sort of attempted movement back upwards, that first key area of resistance that's starting to stand out more and more could be right here at the $4.55 mark. And then after $4.55, you have the area up there around $4.75. But let's just first see if the price can even get up to $4.55 and close above there. And then at that point, if it can do that, it starts to make a little bit more sense to focus on some of these other areas. But overall, like I said, the uptrend continues. So let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.